Yo, Stav, what's for lunch?
I think it's time for a little salmon, boys.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
Guys, welcome back to What's for Lunch. We have a very special guest.
That's right.
Stavros Halkias is here. Thanks for joining us, man.
Of course, dude. Let's get it.
So your new special's out, Fat Rascal.
Fat Rascal, out on Netflix right now, folks. Go watch it.
And we're making, I was like, all right, Stav's coming in, we'll do a Fat Rascal, we'll make a big old sloppy sandwich. But then you switched it up.
Oh, shit.
I was going to call it the Fat Rascal, but
fuck, I
this
had
is
no
better.
idea. Yeah.
We'll do a skinny rascal.
You're right, because I've been too much of a Fat Rascal, folks. For 2 years, I've been on the road eating dog shit, whole pints of ice cream. I got to get my life together. So I said, Chef Donny, how about a nice little piece of fish? Some omega-3s, some green shit, you know what I mean? I opt for broccoli, but I like that you got me on some kale, some good fiber and shit in there.
Some good fiber.
What do we got, babe?
We got some sockeye salmon, and now we have the skin on everything. I'm giving you the best thing that we can possibly
Love
do.
skin on.
You get the skin. Yeah, there's all the nutrients people don't realize are all in that skin. And sockeye salmon, wild caught, so we're really
Wild caught, this motherfucker.
A little salt and pepper on this. I'm the same way. I was always like, kale's tough, it's fibrous, it's, you know, you chew it like a cow forever and it never turns out. I'm gonna show you a way to make kale that once you make it like this, it's fucking delicious and it's so easy to do. This is gonna cook fast. It's a small piece of fish, so we'll set this over here. And what we're gonna do is gonna chop the garlic. Do you like garlic?
I'm a big garlic boy.
All right, the way we're cooking, it doesn't matter how you slice it, we're just going like chops like this.
Rustico. Dude, I'm trying to get like you. Oh, shit.
Bro, that's it.
Pretty good, right?
You got it right there.
See the fucking the little claws? I watch some cooking videos.
You got the claw, you got the knuckle right there. That's all you need. Once you know the claw, you're good. All right, we'll step over to the stove. I gotta pull this out. You're only the second guest, so
I love it, dude.
We're getting the kinks out.
Two incredible athletes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Brandon Marshall.
Me and Brandon Marshall.
Yeah. Olive oil's going in.
A lot of olive oil. I love that shit.
Yeah. Tons of olive oil here. This is Greek olive oil too. I thought you'd appreciate
My guy.
that.
Don't fucking let me touch, don't put any Italian olive oil on my lips.
This garlic, we really want it to start to fry up just like that. We want it hot. You want the pan hot for this. And that garlic, we're taking to the point just before it turns black. So when it's still sweet and crispy. And then what we're gonna do, since this kale is wet, we're gonna leave it wet and we're gonna put it in, and that's gonna kill the garlic, stop it from cooking, cover it, and it'll steam. And that's a chef, it's an Italian chef, but Frank Priscigliano, he's a guy, he's a Brooklyn guy in New York.
Oh shit.
Holy shit, we lost the GoPro. We'll just take that one out. We're getting, I told you, we're getting the kinks out. You're guest number 2. Now we know that doesn't work.
Fuck the GoPro.
Anyway, yeah.
So you massage, what do you do with the cake? Is that what massaging it is?
You want to rough it up a little bit just to break down those fibers in there.
Break that fucker in. It's smelling delicious.
Smelling great.
It's crisping up
See how
nice.
it's turning brown? Yeah, so now that's kind of the point we want to take it to. Anything after that will get bitter. And this is going to kill it right away.
Oh shit.
And you want to get some of that liquid, keep that liquid in there. Just shake it, just really beat the fuck out of it.
You gotta be BDSM with the kale.
That's gonna continue to steam just for like 6 minutes on its own.
And
that's it.
That's all you need to do
The
it.
steam cooks it. All right, let's tackle this fish now. A little avocado oil.
High smoking point, right?
Yeah, because we want that crispy skin.
Of course, I know what the fuck I'm talking about, bro.
You like to cook?
I do.
When you're not on the road, are you cooking all the time?
I cook, yeah.
Nice. What's your favorite thing to cook?
I'm a big grill guy. I actually do cook salmon. That's why I picked salmon because I wanted to see how you were gonna do it. I'm a broil guy.
Okay.
I like to broil it, and I like to fuck around with like, how long do I broil it? Do I let it cook with no heat, kind of slowly? I have in the past tried the pan fry, and I haven't gotten it right, so I'm very interested to see how you're handling it.
I'll show you my method for a pan fry. It's skin side down. We're gonna cook it the majority side on that skin just so we get really crispy. You see this?
Yeah, that's nice.
How it starts to change color. When it gets to about 3/4, almost a little over halfway, you flip it and do 1 minute on the. It's foolproof for any piece of fish.
And how high are you cooking it? As high as it goes?
That's like medium high. And I have some polenta here that we gotta finish off. That's gonna be our base. I'm gonna grab the cheese for that.
Look at that fucker sizzle. Smelling nice, folks.
Whenever you're grating any cheese, just stick it in the freezer 5-10 minutes before, and then it grates way
holy
better.
shit.
Because those fat molecules, if they're warm, they gunk up the
holy fuck. I love it. I'm learning, folks. I don't know about you.
Did you cook a lot of Greek? You like a lot of Greek food, or what?
I do. A lot of Greek food. Like I said, I like to grill a lot. I like to usually my veggies. I like to grill them because it's like you get that smoke. It kind of tricks you into thinking you're eating something that doesn't taste like shit. So yeah, I'll fuck around with that.
So you're a summertime cook, or are you still grilling in the winter?
I'll grill in the winter until it becomes an impossibility.
Sure.
Until the elements tell me I can't do it anymore.
Right. All right. While that finishes off, we're gonna just do another little cut here. I mean, you probably already know this. Your cutting skills are pretty good. We'll do a chiffonade. So that's where you roll the.
Oh, dude, don't fuck it. Thanks for flattering me. I've never heard of chiffonade in my life.
Take your herbs, you roll them like this, and then you just go and you get long strings. So you come through. Do you want to go?
I'll fucking chiffonade, dude.
Chiffonade.
I can chiffonade. Just
Get
roll
your
this
sheath
fucker
game
up.
on.
Fuck with me. I'm Mr. fucking chiffonade over here.
Beautiful.
Ooh, what is that? What is that? Basil?
A little basil there.
Nice.
You try to eat healthy on the road, or just?
I try, but I fail instantly. The most I've ever really accomplished is just like just get whatever I normally get plus a salad. I get a lot of wings and then also a salad.
Side salad.
You know?
See, we're just past that halfway
Ooh.
point. And there we
Ooh,
go.
the
We got that
crisp.
nice crispy skin. All right.
That's
Put
looking
that off on the
nice,
side.
brother.
We'll finish that in a second.
That's looking fucking nice.
Now for a quick sauce, we're gonna go a little white wine.
Ooh, with the twist off and the good
fancy,
shit.
Real fancy. The best for me, Tom. Only the best.
Got this at the gas station.
You can get good, you can get good twist off wine.
I'm staying away. I can't get the tahini with fucking hot wine on that fucker.
Once that wine's pretty much all reduced, we'll go in. This is a little sun-dried tomato pesto that I made. So this is that
Goddamn,
pesto.
boy. I love it. I usually have like a store-bought teriyaki. This is next level.
We like to level up in this kitchen. You know, we're going all out. And then some cream.
Ooh.
And that will just get whisked together.
Ooh, goddamn. I'm ready to get plated, baby. Well, this sauce is looking nice, dude.
Yeah.
I love the bowl. Some rustic shit.
Yeah. Make a
Spread
well.
that fucker around. Smelling nice. Damn, bright green. That looks fucking sick.
A little bit of finishing salt, a little flaky salt on that.
That good Malden shit, huh?
Yeah, just for the end. You never cook with it, you just finish with it. Like only on sliced meats. Fuck, that pan was kind of hot. Oh well.
Look, it's about the flavors, not food safety, not hand safety.
Exactly.
The man will fucking sacrifice his hand for a nice piece of fish. And that's how you know he's a fucking pro.
And now,
I'm out here
coming
licking
with
my
that
lips.
sauce.
I feel like fucking Garfield right now waiting. Oh my God. Oh, I'm about to nut. I feel like the sauce just busted on my fish. I'm about to
We'll
lap
take
it up.
That beautiful basil that you cut up there.
That I chiffonaded.
Chiffonade there.
Get a little lemon. You gotta have some lemon. Just to wake it up. Little
That's it.
fucking acidity, little brightness.
That's all you need. And there you go, Stav. There's your salmon. Something healthy.
Some healthy. Hey, a little butter, little cream. Who gives a fuck?
You need butter, cream, cheese. Come on, like.
All right. Oh, fuck yes. I gotta get a bite of everything. You know what, fuck it. I'm gonna go salmon first. Oh, there's a little kale there. The fucking crisp. Holy fuck. That's fucking awesome. Kale I'll even eat the fucking veggies. Donny, you motherfucker, you've outdone yourself. Let me get some fucking cream sauce. Wow, I feel like Guy Fieri right now, dude. That's out of bounds.
Yeah, here, let's give you a little cream sauce.
Dude, fucking finish me off, dude. Fuck, dude. Holy fuck. To keep it crispy with all this fucking delicious mush around it is a real talent.
Hey, thank you.
And the kale, I will literally eat kale like this. It's fucking delicious.
I tell you what, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way to do kale. It never will taste fibery, whatever. And
No,
you have
it was the softest kale I've ever fucking felt in my
It's
life.
It's easy. It's 5 minutes. Boom.
I love it. You're the man, dude. Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming on, dude.
Of course.
Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah.